Welcome back to AutRev Pulse. The 2026 BMW X2 M35i starts at around $51,000 in the US market, placing it firmly in the premium compact performance SUV category where it competes with some very strong rivals. This model carries BMW's performance-oriented M35i badge, which means it's not a full M car, but it is engineered to sit at the top of the X2 range with a clear focus on sportiness, sharper handling, and a more aggressive driving character. BMW has positioned it as a compact coupe-style SUV for buyers who want everyday practicality, but still care about driving dynamics and brand prestige. From the outside, the new X2 M35i has a much more mature and assertive design compared to the previous generation. The coupe-like roofline is more pronounced, and the proportions are cleaner and more athletic. The front end features a larger kidney grille, more angular LED headlights, and a lower, wider stance that gives it a planted look. The M Sport touches, including gloss black accents, larger air intakes, and unique wheel designs, immediately signal that this is the performance version. Around the back, the sloping roofline blends into a sporty tailgate with sharp LED taillights and a clean bumper design that keeps things modern rather than overly busy. Inside, BMW has clearly focused on modern luxury with a slightly minimalist approach. The cabin feels premium right away, with soft touch materials on the dashboard, high-quality leather options, and well-finished trim pieces that feel solid rather than flashy. The curved display setup dominates the front, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. It runs BMW's latest iDrive interface, which is responsive, clean, and relatively easy to get used to after a short learning period. The seating position is sporty but still comfortable for long drives. The M Sport seats offer good lateral support, which you'll appreciate when driving more aggressively, but they're not so stiff that they become uncomfortable in daily commuting. Rear seat space is decent for the class, though the sloping roofline does slightly reduce headroom for taller passengers. It's not cramped, but it's clearly designed more for style than maximum practicality. Cargo space is usable for everyday needs like grocery runs or weekend luggage, but again, it's not class-leading. On the road is where the X2 M35i starts to show its real personality. It is powered by a turbocharged engine that delivers strong acceleration and a very responsive feel. Power comes in quickly, and the dual-clutch transmission shifts with speed and precision, especially in sportier driving modes. BMW has tuned this model to feel more engaging than a typical compact SUV, and it definitely succeeds in that direction. The steering is sharp and direct, giving you a good sense of control, especially in corners. The suspension is on the firmer side, which helps reduce body roll and improves handling, but it can feel a bit stiff on rough city roads. On smooth highways or winding roads, however, it feels confident and planted. This is not a soft, comfort-first SUV. It's clearly designed for drivers who enjoy a more connected feel behind the wheel. In terms of technology, BMW has packed the X2 M35i with a strong set of features. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the digital interface is highly customizable. You also get advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and parking assistance features that make daily driving much easier. The head-up display is also available and works well for keeping important information in your line of sight without distraction. Safety is a strong point as expected from BMW. The structure feels solid, and the suite of electronic aids helps prevent common driving mistakes. While official crash ratings may vary by market timing, BMW's recent track record in this segment has been consistently strong, and the X2 M35i follows that same philosophy. In everyday use, the X2 M35i is fairly practical for a performance-focused compact SUV. It handles commuting, highway driving, and city traffic without much stress. Fuel economy is not its strongest advantage, especially when driven aggressively, but it remains reasonable for its performance level. Visibility is decent from the front, though the rear view is slightly affected by the coupe-style design, which is something you notice mostly when parking or reversing. Of course, it's not perfect. The ride quality can feel a bit firm on uneven roads. Rear passenger space is somewhat limited compared to more traditional SUVs, and the price can climb quickly once you start adding options. But these are trade-offs that come with its sporty positioning rather than actual flaws in execution. Overall, The 2026 BMW X2 M35i stands out as a compact luxury SUV that prioritizes driving enjoyment without completely sacrificing everyday usability. It's best suited for buyers who want something stylish, premium, and genuinely fun to drive, but still need the flexibility of a small SUV. If you're looking for maximum comfort or maximum space, there are better options out there. But if your priority is a compact SUV that feels sharp, responsive, and distinctly BMW in character, the X2 M35i makes a very strong case for itself in its segment.